Hi 7-8. For this project, the first step is going to be to create your NoodleTools account. And to do that, you're going to go to the Birmingham Covington School Library website, and everything that you need for this project is linked under Class Project here on the left-hand bar under 7-8 LA 1950s, including the first thing you need, which is this link to NoodleTools. There are some directions here to help guide you. And when you click on NoodleTools from this webpage, you're automatically authenticated. So you automatically can sign up for an account within the BCS building. If you already have an ID from last school year, you can just sign in right here with your personal ID and password. If you have never used NoodleTools before, down here at the bottom there is a button that says Register. And you will register as a student. You will put in your expected year of graduation from Birmingham Public Schools. Your personal ID should be your school username. I think for you guys that looks more like this. We would like your password while you're working with a partner to just simply be password, and you can come in and change this later. And for the easy logon retrieval, you're just going to put your initials and the last 4 digits of your phone number so that if you forget your password, you can type these things in and come back to NoodleTools. Now, I already have a NoodleTools account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And the first thing you guys are going to do when you get to NoodleTools is create a new project. Now, I've been in before, so I have projects from previous years. Today we're creating a new project, and the project title should be something like 1950s. We are going to use MLA, and for this project we are going to use the junior citation level. Oops. And once you submit, this is the dashboard for your project. So it has some things that you can add in here, such as what is your research question, just some notes to help guide you. So the economic, political, and social environments of the 1950s. And you can add your thesis here. You can turn on public access or share this with somebody else, or share it with another student that you're collaborating with on NoodleTools if your teacher would like you to do it that way. And really the next thing that you need to do is add in some sources. So to see how to do that, watch the next video.